they have been best friends since the beginning. On their first meeting, they were playing. Wherever Bella is, Mango needs to be nearby. Mango loves to jump on top of Bella. I want them to have fun but have a safe environment. Mango can fly, but he doesn't fly too far away. Because here he's with his family. They're the first thing I want to see when I come home. We have neighbors, and they love Mango and Bella. If Mango sees Bella bark at something, he's gonna tweet back. We had the feeling that they might be able to bond, but not to this degree. They're the best thing in the whole world. They bring such happiness and joy to our family. When you're not feeling good, they sense it. I don't know how.
Paw, bark. Good job, Stinky Butt.
I think that this shows that love can come from all places. They don't judge. They're just happy as who they are. That's a fantastic friendship.
Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.